climate of our diverse world. Many people think that weather and climate are the same thing. This is not true. The climate of an area does not change as often as the weather. The weather in an area is always changing. The climate is the average of all the weather conditions taken over a long period of time. This includes things like precipitation, temperature, and temperature change. The surface of the Earth is made up of lots of different climates. In order to help them organize all the information better, scientists who study Earth's climate, or climatologists, have organized all of the climates into groups with similar characteristics. Desert climates receive very little rain, typically less than 10 inches per year. Because of the lack of this critical resource, very few living things can survive in desert regions. In contrast to desert climates, tropical climates, usually found around the equator, receive lots of rainfall every year. As a result, they are teeming with life. Between the extremes of the desert and tropical climates is what scientists call a temperate climate. Weather in temperate climates is never too extreme. The United States falls mostly under a temperate climate. Above 60 degrees north latitude and below 60 degrees south latitude, you can find regions of polar climates. Because the Earth is tilted on its axis, these regions of the planet receive less direct rays from the sun. This results in the polar climates being the coldest of all the climates. At the bottom of your page, you'll see a photograph. The caption reads, "Lush tropical climates receive high rainfall." Landforms are one thing that affects climates. For example, a tall mountain will probably have a different climate than the surrounding area. This is due to the vast temperature difference. Sometimes one side of a mountain may get more precipitation than the other side, giving it a different climate as well. Another thing that has a dramatic effect on an area's climate is the ocean. Because large bodies of water warm up and cool down more slowly than land, they have great effect on the climate of the surrounding region. One example of this in action comes in the winter, when areas along ocean coasts stay much warmer than areas just a few miles further inland. The various climates on our wondrous planet allow for immense diversity in life and the beauty we encounter each day in every corner of our great Earth. At the bottom of your page, you'll see a map titled Climate Map of the World. Because this map is in black and white, it's a little bit tricky to read. But if you look carefully, you can make out the tropical climates, the dry climates, the moderate climates, continental, and polar climates as well.